Hello, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Mission. To my returning subscribers, thank you always for being to support me here. And if this is your first time, consider subscribing. That's a better way of supporting me. Talking live from the village, and actually the village of my home. For those ones who are new here, that's why I am just showing you around. Here we have sukuma wiki. Girls, these are the vegetables, girls. If you can find them in the supermarket, maybe. Also, and here just it is my home. Like that's what I can say, guys. So I really appreciate the love that you usually show me. Always cannot complain. God is really working. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed this video here, and thank you for stopping here just to come and watch this video, guys. So this is my brother's house. It doesn't stay here like that. So as you can walk around here, expect to see these small streets here, like small roads, like I can see. So I love to open here, guys, because we have small doors, like, and this is how it looks. Always we are here. Actually here we fenced with a wire, also the timbers, because of the chickens. Maybe these are the plantain, but they have not they don't have bananas, guys. So guys, what do you think about this video here? Always and drop a comment, like the video, guys. You can share. You have a community outside there, and hope you enjoyed the video. What's up, guys? Here we are. Actually, I am at my home, and usually there's a video taken yesterday, like the fire had been rained outside there. So I have made this place here just to keep them for a while, so that they can continue drying as like, because there's a lot of rain like nowadays. So that's why we have made this place here. This one here is about the chicken, and this one here is just for keeping the firewood while it continue drying, guys. So hope you like this video here. Please comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please go do it, because we're heading to 3,000 subscribers, you know. And like the video, share. I know you have amazing friends outside there, guys. So we are going to do this one, please. See, like this one here. Ugali man. I told you I'm not in this thing. Enjoy matri. Chili. So Hazel, I have to cut Gary. This is Ugari, and we have to eat now, guys. So we have to pray, Father, in the name of Jesus. I thank you for the love and the food that we are going to eat. We may praise it in the mighty name of Jesus. I pray and believe. Amen. Sasa watu wanararua hapa. Aribu china chenga mwili. Aribu china chenga mwili. So we have to eat, guys. Let me look for a seat. I'm having my lunch. Pilipili. Chili. And we shall do like this. That's it. Yeah.